So you have immigrants everywhere. In every country, people are always trying to move away because you might never know what situation they're going through, what, they might be going through in their home country, and they're just trying to look a better life. It's a bright and beautiful Monday morning. Yes, I know you might be watching at night or evening or whatever time you're watching from wherever you're watching from in the world. But it's a beautiful Monday morning and I'm so happy today. If you're new to my channel, welcome, a warm welcome to you. Remember to subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like these, then turn on your notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be notified. To my existing subscribers, I love you guys. Big up yourself. All right. Thank you guys for being there with me all these years. As we're growing, we're taking time to grow. And if you're new, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe? You know why I always tell you guys to subscribe? You're not just subscribing to a channel that you just get random vlogs from. This channel is about my personal journey through Canada as an immigrant. There's a lot of immigrants in Canada. There's a lot of people from different countries in the world in Canada coming here, trying to make a life, trying to make something out of the opportunity that we got to come to Canada. Because, back in our country, it's not the best. Of course, you can live in your home country and make it in life. Yeah, because a lot of people in Jamaica right now, they're rich, they have money, they have businesses, they made the best out of their life, and most of them never traveled before in their lives, or maybe they traveled but they never migrated to other places, right? And you know how many Chinese and Japanese people are in Jamaica right now, making Jamaica their home. So you have immigrants everywhere. In every country, people are always trying to move away because you might never know what situation they're going through, what, they might be going through in their home country. And they're just trying to look a better life, just like me, trying to look a better life. Well, for me, a little back history, a little backstory. I never really talk about this on my channel before until now, I guess. It's time to talk about it. So I left Jamaica when I was 19 years old. Right? My mom passed away when I was 19. My dad passed away when I was 16 years old, right? My mom always wanted me to, try to, I have a lot of siblings too. So anyway, parents always want the best for us. My dad, on his deathbed, he always said to us, hey, I want you guys as siblings to grow together, live loving and live peaceful. Try your best to keep together. Every time when he prays, he always say, Father God, I want you to bundle us together like sticks that cannot be broken. And that's one of my father's death wish, and I really want to accomplish that for him. You know what I mean? But as immigrants, as I was saying, I never spoke about this. So when my mom passed away, or before my mom passed away, she always told me, why don't you go to Panama to go try to see if you can, try to make something of your life and not just because I was working at a gas station when I was in Jamaica. When I was just fresh out of high school, 17 years old, I started working at a gas station, Shell, which later on turned to Ruby's. But anyways, I was working at gas station. My mom was like, try to make something better of your life. Go to Panama, because I had an aunt living in Panama. And I'm like, I don't really want to go to Panama because Panama speaks Spanish, and I don't want to now root up my entire life, my high school friends, everybody who I know, just to go to a new country, especially the country speaks Spanish, and then I don't know anything and they don't speak English. No, I don't want to go. But anyway, after my mom passed away that year, I was like, yeah, I need to go. I need to leave. So I left Jamaica when I was 19, went to Panama. I lived there for 5 whole years. Yes, I learned a little Spanish, and it was fun. I got permanent residency in Panama also. And yeah, it was a fun time. I had a good job. I had a good, stable life. And then one day I decided, me and my sisters were talking. They're like, oh, you could try Panama, you could try Canada. I was like, never really wanted to come to Canada because I'm like, I already have a happy life over there in Panama. So you know, I was fine. And then I'm thinking about, oh, being an immigrant again, all the struggles that I went through in Panama, I'm telling you. So anyway, long story short, I end up moving to Canada as a student. And, you know, I've been in Canada for 5 years now. And Canada is, I would say Canada is my home, because I've been here for so long, been going to school for, well, this is my second time going to school, been building my career as a chef, and I like it, you know. So I know this is a long explanation, but subscribing to my channel will give you that sense of, what would I say, no, just to know that you have been following somebody's journey from when they just started out to when they actually become successful. Because what I realize with people, they always say, oh, the rich people, and oh, these business owners, they are rich, and oh, this, that. But don't you remember when the business owner was just like me? Don't you remember when the business owner just had a thought, and then they had to work hard to get the amount of money that they have now, or get their business to the level where their business is right now? Right? So you can't just think about the success that the people have now. You have to also remember that they had to go through their hardship, just like me. Look at my hairstyle. 10 years later, you're going to be looking at me like, oh, Nayoka is rich. But you never remember when I had these eczema on my skin, and you never remember when my hair wanted to take out and go to the hairdresser, right? So anyway, this channel is just about my personal journey through Canada as an immigrant, you know, so you guys can find a sense of or what would I say, a sense of hope or a sense of motivation. When you watch my channel, you can know when you watch my channel, you can now feel motivated to say, oh, if Nayoka can do it, why can't I? You know what I mean? So yeah, so subscribe and join the fun, join the journey, share my videos. You feel like my video can touch somebody, or somebody can benefit from the contents of my videos, then share it with them. You know what I mean? Guys, you know, when I get chatty and when I get inspirational, this is how I am. But I feel like one day I'm gonna do a sit down and talk to you guys about my personal immigration journeys, because this is not my first start over. This is my third start over in my life, and at this point I'm not afraid to start over again, because like I've done it so many times, it's like I'm a pro. But this time I want to be stable. I want to achieve everything. I want to have my pastry shop in the future. I want you guys to see everything that I spoke about. I want it to come to pass. I want it to come to fruition, so you guys can see that I started from nothing. I started from the bottom. I started from the bottom, and then I want you guys to see that I can make it. And with your help, with your motivation, with your subscriptions, with your comments, with your liking of my videos and watching of my videos, that even motivates me more. Why do I feel like this is gonna be a video by itself? I feel like this is gonna be a video by itself, you know, because it's already 9 minutes, and that's already 9 minutes. So maybe I'll just do one video for today. I'll show you everything that I'm doing today, then I'll close off this video and I'll post it before Sunday. I'll give you guys a little goodie. All right, I'll give you guys a goodie bag. Maybe by Wednesday I'll post this video, but let's see. I'm not making any promises, because my week this week is very loaded. I got work, I got school, I got home stuff to do. I got a lot on my plate. So if I don't send a video as I promise, you will get it on Sunday, but I'll try my best. So today in my class, we're gonna be making pancakes, crepes. I don't know what the real pronunciation is. I will know when I go to school now, when I go to class. And yeah, I'm already wearing my chef pants because it's the time. What time is it? So it's already I got like 45 minutes to get to class, so I'm gonna get to class. Well, I already kind of done change. I just need to run to my locker, get my rest of my stuff, and head right to class. So as I said, I'm doing pancakes, waffles, and crepes today in my class, and I'll just show you what's going on. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm heading inside. I have my to-go box because I know for sure that they won't have anything to put my pancakes in, so I just brought something for that. So heading in. I really like this hairstyle, you know. I feel like the next hairstyle that I use, I'm going to do the same color and different style. Well, let's see. I'm not sure, because sometimes I might say I'm going to do a particular hairstyle and then I don't. So yeah guys, heading in now. Yes, Humber. Today is kind of cloudy, not too cold though, thankfully. Yes, Humber College. Oh, you can park your bicycles there. Nice. All right guys, so got everything. Oh god. Anyway, got everything. I just need to go tie my necktie and fix my hair and then head to class. I have 30 minutes to get there, or 25. Yo, I really hate this hat. You have to hurry? You have 20 minutes. I really don't like this hat. This hat can't fit my braids. Yeah. It's not working. I have to like catch it on my head and it's not cute. It's not cute. Oh, my necktie. It's not cute, guys. Oh, this is my class. So this is my second pancake. 1 and number 2. Bam. Then we got the mixture here. Then we got Hannah over here doing her. Oh, you look so cute. She looks so pretty. Look at her. So our little baby is cooking up. You wanna flip it? Alright, Hannah. Or maybe hold it with your yeah. Wow, look at that color.
You want to make a flat spatula, okay? And when you put...
So guys, my day is done. Look, it's already nighttime. It's already dark outside. So I'm heading home. I got my pancakes. I try to like stuff everything in one plate. You know, I need to zip up my jacket. Just give me a second. So heading home. So noisy because it's like everybody's leaving class at this time. See, everybody's trying to get something to eat. Maybe they have another class afterwards, because you know classes go as late as 10, I believe. 10 p.m. would be the latest class, or the last class would end at 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. or something like that. I don't know, but I remember I had late classes. Oh my gosh, right here smells so stink. These people can't learn to use deodorant, take a shower, and smell nice. No, Jesus, my stomach is sick. I feel like I want to vomit. I'm sorry. Give me a second, guys. Oh God, finally some fresh air. Oh my God, fresh air. It's not cold today. It's just a little chilly. The sky is dark. It's snowing. I got my pancakes. So when I get home, I have some whipped cream in my bag. We made extra, so I just took it. Guys, one thing with me, I'm gonna be taking the extra stuff in class. You think I'm gonna be like, oh no, I don't want it? Of course I want it. Hey, anybody want leftover whipped cream? Yes, sir. Oh, anybody want leftover this? Yes, ma'am. I'll take it. I'm gonna take it. Anything left over, I am going to take that. All right. So I got some leftover whipped cream. When I get home, I'm going to use the crepes that I have, and I'm gonna make like a crepe cake. It's snowing right now. I think it feels like rock, like some tiny rocks. Yes, guys, the sun is sunning today. Jeez. Oh my God. And this is the direction I need to turn to get that pretty lighting. You know what I mean? Jeez. Because if I turn this way, you can't see anything, right? The sun is shining bright. See if I can get a nice spot. All right. No, man, I need my shades. I need my shades. All right, so guys, oh God, the sun is too bright for me. But yeah, I didn't get to close off my video yesterday because why didn't I forgot, and I got kind of caught up with my schoolwork. I had a test yesterday, and when I brought home the pancake and stuff, everybody just started devouring them, so I didn't really get a chance to come back to the vlog. I totally forgot, and when I remember about it, I was already in bed about to sleep. So I was like, let me just carry this vlog into our next day. Well, I won't be vlogging for the whole day in this video, but I'll start a new vlog for another video. But I just wanted to finish it off because I realized that I don't finish off my videos. I always just start a video and then I forget and then I post it. So I want to officially end the video, so that's why I'm doing this today. It's a bright and sunny day, but I'll see you in the next vlog. Like literally stay tuned for the next vlog, because this next vlog is going to be a continuation of today. All right, so stay tuned, big up yourself, subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.